Good morning, Clay Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a very fresh trade that just came in Saturday. This is a 2018 Dutchmen Voltage 3605 and they barely use it. It's in super nice shape with a few upgrades that was even done after they purchased it, like the air ride, trail air, pin box, upgraded heavy duty tires. Come on inside, let me show you inside. This is just how I took it in, so it has not been cleaned up, just pulled in and dropped off, and here it is. We walk in here, it's the living room kitchen area, got a nice big couch area, lots of windows, indoor, inside living area loft, lots of cabinet space, got all the remotes for everything, plenty of storage. It's got the fireplace with the brick hearth looking style there, the big Furion TV, stereo system above, a little more storage there, the backlighting glass covers, big 4-door refrigerator, lots of storage again here throughout. Kitchen slides out, so again, like I said, the big refrige, the stove, oven, microwave convection, looks like it's never been used. Overhead cabinetry, nice and deep. Backlit area here, little storage area below, nice big pots and pan drawer below the oven, back lighting and plug-in underneath here, drawers, overhead cabinetry again, as you see, just space throughout everywhere. Nice layout for something that's going to be under 40 feet in a double axle rather than a triple axle. Bank of drawers here, cabinets here, you don't see here, but it's all there. Double sink with sink covers. Super clean. If you're looking for that pre-owned that was hardly used and saving money from a brand new one, this is definitely the one to grab before it goes to somebody else. Gen switch inside. It's got the in-command system. It's even got the 12-volt tank heaters, as well as having the enclosed heated tanks itself, so it has the all-weather package. We go upstairs here. We find a big skylight, porcelain toilet, nice big one-piece shower, very nice cabinet for the linens. Into the bedroom area, wardrobe slide, beds north-south, more closet space there, drawers below, nice queen bed, cabinetry on all sides of the bed, as far and above the bed area too. 110 and USB plug-ins aside the bed. Storage underneath the bed. This has central vac system, so all the attachments there. Didn't even take the plastic off the mattress. Lots of windows, bedroom TV. It's got the king control antenna for the television system. We walk into the garage. These Voltage has the large, wide entry door. These people did not use the rear more ride gates around the patio kit, so they took them off, so they're laying on the floor here. But it does have them, and they're in like brand new condition. Has the big 3-step system to help get up on the patio deck out the back end. The opposing dinette when it's down. The bunk bed above, garage television, washer and dryer hookup, the half bath. Very, very, very nice. I'm not giving you something, telling you about it that's going to make it nicer than what it really is. It's every bit as nice as I'm telling you. This is a triple slide toy hauler, auto leveling system. Dual power awnings out the outside with the nice adjustable pitch awnings, so very nice awnings. Exterior entertainment. Metal fender wells. Upgraded tires from what they put on from the factory just for a heavy hauling. The patio door going into the garage. LED light strips under both of the awnings out on the side here. Rear patio. Gonna have the patio out the back with the steps. Rear power awning out the back, again with LED lights out the back end. Added the roller wheels for the low clearances in and out of driveways to protect the bottom. Dual fuel tanks with the pump station. Folding ladder. Frameless windows. Extremely nice, folks. I am not misrepresenting this. This is very, very nice. Large hot water heater. Docking station with all the controls above into the heated insulated area. 50 amp short cord to accommodate the dual air conditioning. Pre-wired for solar, portable solar. Wardrobe slide here. The trail air pin box like I mentioned. Painted end cap. 5,500 watt generator. And even though it is an 18, when we sell it to the next buyer, they'll get 2 brand new batteries. Propane tanks filled, clean so you won't have the Idaho bugs on it. Almost be afraid to clean the inside. It might make it dirty, but it's very, very clean to begin with. The other side of the basement here. The Dirt Devil to change out our vacuum bags. Extra vacuum bags to go with it. Very, very nice. Don't miss out if this is what you're looking for in a pre-owned toy haul. I want to save thousands of dollars from a brand new one. This one's very well equipped. Again, it's Clay Thompson with Guaranty RV Center. Make sure you ask for me or call me direct. I will give you my number, but be sure to contact me so I can get you your free gift when you contact me. My name is Clay Thompson with Guaranty RV Center. My direct line is 541-979-1770. And don't forget the free gift.